Hi there, my plastic peeps. So, I did a video last week talking about 3 vehicles of G.I. Joe that I wanted to open. Live, not live on YouTube, on my channel. So, I only got a few responses of people saying, open this one, open that one. Nomad Fighter, the X-Wing, yes, one. And mostly that one was 3 boats, Tiger Force, Tiger Cat. Yep, and in French it's called Tiger Chat. I'm gonna open it and show you what's inside, and I'm gonna put it in my showcase next to Tiger Flint and Tiger Roadblock, which I'm gonna show you right now. It's gonna be right there. See? It's gonna be right there. This is my showcase of G.I. Joe, the real American hero. G.I. Joe, what's there? But I'm gonna open it. And I'm gonna show you this, and it's gonna be a long review. Just to show you, there's a Japanese carded Snake Eyes with Timberwolf, the little mini comic book. No, straight arms, straight arm, no, swivel arm, straight arm, straight arm, straight arm, straight arm, no, swivel, swivel, definitely, swivel, straight, swivel, straight. All kinds here, all kinds. I have USA, Sergeant Slaughter, Ace in the back, the Fridge, Super Trooper, that sheet, oh yeah, that's Quiver from the Great Britain line, Great Britain again, Breaker, then the other shelf. Why not? I'm showing you this because 2 versions of Alpine, I think his name. Okay, don't call me on this, but I have 2 versions of him. His little crotch area is broken, but there's different. Hold on. See? If you look closely, X. You bastard. No X. That's the only difference of the figure. Maybe a little bit slight change of color a bit, but not much. But I don't, the variations of colors I could care less. I like little different things of the figure. Mail away version of Duke. And then we have the 3rd shelf, a lot of Cobras. Dreadnoks Evader, mint in the box. Some Eagle Force, 1, 2. There's the driver to the USS Flag. Oh, look at that! He's so rare, complete with his pistol, his gun. And this little spot, I came to this one, is gonna be for the Tiger Force Tiger Cat. This is why I did this. So I just want to show you 3 of what I have. Hold on, I'm a little bit tangled. I'll be back. Okay, so. As I said, that I'm gonna open a rare. Hold on, let's focus here. Why am I let's focus? Sorry, I was out of focus for a while. As I said, I'm gonna open a rare vehicle of G.I. Joe. If you notice in the back of me, right there, a space for rare G.I. Joes I'm getting. I'm not going to tell you what they are. They're all San Diego Comic-Con exclusives, but they're super rare. 2 are bad guys, 2 are good guys. I can't wait. I'm going to do a review on them. I'm not going to open them. They're paying a lot. Some I'm trading, some I'm paying. And I'll tell you when I'm ready to show you which ones of the San Diego Comic-Cons I'm getting. They're older ones, much older ones. I've been looking for them for a long, long time. One that's he's a wrestler. Yeah, he passed away. One, he's a drill sergeant. One guy is the leader of Cobra. Both of them, both versions. So you know what I mean. Okay, on with the show. Opening. I have my tools: scissors, X-Acto knife, and this little thing for nails. That's good. So the box is beautiful. I give the box art a 10 on 10. Love the green and orange side. which you already seen, right? And oh yeah, here it shows you a picture of all four of the vehicles. Tiger Fly, Tiger Rat, Tiger Shark, Tiger Paw. The other ones are in French. In French it's called, hold on, Tiger Mush, Tiger Rat, Tiger Requin, and Tiger Patin. Patin. Okay, which side I'm gonna open? Doesn't make a difference. Ready? Here we go. Ah, it lost its value. Who cares now? It's mine. Woohoo! Can't wait. All right. Okay. Box empty now. One piece. Right there. The top. Still in its baggie. Other piece. All in there. Still in their baggie. So this I'm gonna cut with an X-Acto knife. Open! Here's the one of the pieces. Here's the, I think this is the windshield. Not too sure what this is. Yeah, I think so. Part of the vehicle. Here's the wheels, another part of the vehicle. I'm looking at the Frostbite's vehicle too, that's white because that's where it comes from. Another wheels. This is gonna be my first time I've ever assembled a G.I. Joe vehicle, so I'm telling you guys, it says 1985 Hasbro. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, fresh, brand smacking new. I'm gonna show you the figure at the end. Here's the windshield. Two more wheels. The front wheels. These are the back wheels. Then we have another part of the vehicle. I don't know what it's called. I don't want nothing to fall. You know, they're all brand smacking new. Then we have yellow parts, still sealed. Look at that. Black parts, still sealed. Beautiful. I'm crazy, yeah. I don't care about the value. It's coming in my collection anyways. I'm not going over it. All the red, the missiles are red, and the other one they're yellow and white. No, yellow. Here they're all red. Beautiful. Then we have the paperwork. Paperwork. First one I'm going to show you is this one. Now you can be the next Joe. You can be the real. You can be real hero and get G.I. Joe action figure of you plus your own personal file card. There's the form that you want. Beautiful. 5 on 5. Then it comes with a catalog. Hold on, stickers are a little bit sticky. Damage the stickers. Sticky. Okay. Well, the stickers are not getting damaged. A little bit they are. But what happened was it stuck to the sticker. The sticker sheet is still good. Here's the sticker sheet. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here's what's it called? The guide, not guide. Oh yeah, a list guide of if you want to get some figures in that year. Cobra Bug. There's everything. Shows you a list of the vehicles that are available. Man, I have them all. It's weird. There's Battle Gear Action Pack 2. There's Iron Grenadiers, and then it shows you all the figures that you could collect. And in the back it shows you more vehicles. I have them all. Yep, I have what's that? Rolling Thunder or Thunderclamp? Oh, hold on. It's so small, the writing. I think it's Rolling Thunder, yeah. It's so small. Yeah, Rolling Thunder. G.I. Joe Phantom and X-19 fighter, strength fighter, Mean Dog. I don't have the Warthog. I don't know. I can't find it. I put it somewhere in my collection, sealed, and I just can't find it. A lot of nice vehicles. I don't like Battle Force 2000, but this little, what's it called? Oh my god, I can't pronounce the name. This little piece here is worth money. Just this little catalog. Oh, it's hard to put back, huh? Okay, let me see if I can do it in another way. I don't want to damage it. It's not folding like I thought it would. Picture there is beautiful. Look at that picture. Beautiful. Next, we have blueprints. It's gonna take forever to do. Tiger Cat instructions. Okay. Well, let's get to it then. I'm gonna do it. This is the English one, and this is the French one. Tiger Cat. French. So French, we don't need. Plastic, I'm gonna keep. The plastic is very durable. Oh yeah, my god, sorry. And the last piece, La Presse de Resistance, the figure himself. Still in the original baggie. Look at that. This piece here, at least $100, just for him. He's gonna be open, put into his vehicle. That's it. Yeah, beautiful. Frostbite, right? Frostbite, yeah. Frostbite, Tiger Force style, but with an orange beard. 10 on 10. Okay. Let's put him over there. So the first thing to do, body bottom. Okay, body bottom. Okay. Turn it around. We put roller. What's the roller? Eesh. It's gonna take forever. Okay, rollers. Here we go. First one to put on. So I'm just taking them out. First rollers go, oh, okay, right here. Okay, so I put them in. Hold on. And they roll. Second piece, wheel cover. Okay. Second piece. Wheel cover. Where's the wheel cover? Doesn't tell you the color. Doesn't. Oh, they're yellow. Oh, excuse me. No, I see the color. This thing is blue and white. Stupid. No wonder I never had the patience to do these things. Makes sense. I don't want to break anything, but I am gonna keep the original. These. Okay, this goes on the wheel. So it's gonna go on the wheel. It's the, what's it called? The mags? Yeah, the mags. And it should snap in, but it's not snapping in. Hold on. Yes, tire. This should go in. There we go. Phew. One. Wheel number 2. You have things to put down everywhere. Wheel number 2. Second hovercraft. Second one to put on the wheel. There we go. Whew. This is gonna take long. It's gonna be a long video, but who cares? The wheels are gonna go on the body. So I have to put it this way. Okay, and I have to put the wheels on. I hope that's right, on the axles. Funny, it doesn't roll. No, it doesn't move. It's very tight. I find that odd. I hope I'm not breaking this. There we go. Now it rolls. There we go. Okay, now it rolls. Okay. So, put it in. Two wheels. On with the show. Now we put the big back wheels. And the big back wheels. They go like that. Okay, oops, wrong. This is the tab. It goes here. All the way to the bottom. Again, another one. All the way to the bottom. So far we have this. Not bad. Next we put on headlights, vent detail, vent bar. Oof, okay, headlights. That's on the yellow, on the Tiger Force part itself. That we're gonna open up now. On this part. Let's put on this. So what's the exact knife now? Like I said, I never did this, so we're at 17 minutes. It's gonna be a long video. This part. The top of the Joe vehicle. First thing to do is put it upside down and put the headlights. Then I dropped a piece. That's fantastic. I'm gonna break nothing. So many pieces all over the place now. Is this it? Not too sure. They're so small. I think so. They put it in 2 bags. Oh, because it's fragile. Ooh, okay. Unbelievable. So many bags. Oh, man. There we go. Again, another bag. Okay. There we go. So these are so small, I don't want to break them. Okay, so we're at 18 minutes. I'm going to take them out. I might do a 2-parter. Yeah, I'll do 30 minutes now and 30 minutes later. I'll do that. So this, they snap into here. Like so. Maybe not like so. No, I did a mistake. Okay. Okay. Let's redo it. It's weird because I don't know how to put them in. How do kids do this back in the day? How did anybody do this? Wow, now I know why. People, I don't like doing this, man. It's not my cup of tea. It's taking a long time to do. I'm so sorry. I know you're looking just on my head and I'm talking, but I'm doing it. Okay, you know what? Pass Chunky out. I'm going to do a second part another day. I'm going to assemble it and then I'm going to show you to after. it's better this way. I'm having a hard time putting some